Prepare a cross screwdriver and a circulation fan. Before replace, first, remove these 7 screws. Then take down the circulation fan. A cross screwdriver is needed to remove the circulation fan. After removing the screws, find the power cord. Pull out T key terminal, then you can remove the entire fan. After removing the fan, first turn the fan over. Use the cross screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. After unscrewing the screws, you can remove this board. If you encounter solid glass glue, so you need to use a little force to take out the sheet metal, then save the sheet metal, take the new fan and install the sheet metal back. Pay attention to the side with the gap. When installing, be sure to follow the steps in the video. The side with the barcode needs to face down. Then the gap faces outward. First lock and fix the screws diagonally. After completion, install the fan back on the machine. Fix the fan outlet back. Align the power cord after aligning it with the hole. Then lock the screws.